Salut, je chantais Someone Like You de Adele. I heard that you're settled down, that you're found a girl and you're married now. Oh, I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you your things. I give it to you. Oh, the friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back. Oh, ask from life. I hate that open out of the blue and in bed, but I could stay away. I couldn't fight it out. I have to in my face, and that you'll be reminded that for me, and it's an over. Never mind, I'm fine. Someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me. I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it's hurt instead. Sometimes I laugh in love, but sometimes it's dirty instead. Yes, you would know of the sunrise only. Yesterday was the time of a life. We were born in a race. In it, summer rays, baobab is surprised on that glory day. I hate the shadow part of the blue and it's bad, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it out. I have to see my face, and that you'll be reminded that for me, and it's an over.